Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, and somewhere in the toggles right here you will find a hotspot toggle. For me it's right here. So once you locate yours, if you're doing this the first time around, and assuming you're watching this video, you probably are, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here, select Wi-Fi hotspot, and the most important thing right here, the reason why we came here, is for this, the hotspot password. By default, it's just randomly generated, so without going in here, you have no way of knowing what it is. So first time around, you do need to navigate here no matter what. Now, you could write this down, log in with it, but what I recommend doing is removing it and setting up your own password. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers or both, doesn't really matter. And from there you will be able to save it. And that's really all I would recommend changing. The rest of it, the settings are completely up to you. So if you want, you could utilize 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Under advanced, I do recommend keeping the turn off hotspot automatically. And that way, once you forget about your hotspot that you turned it on, the device will turn it off for you when it's not being used for several minutes. This will ensure that your battery will last longer. Hotspot does consume more battery, and basically with it on, you'd be wasting battery if you're not utilizing it. And one more thing that I'm going to check, there we go. So I have Wi-Fi enabled. Now the reason I'm checking this is because sometimes when you enable hotspot, like I just did, okay, so here it does not turn off your Wi-Fi, which is good. So anyway, that's the only thing that I would recommend changing. You could also change the hotspot name if you wanted to, but it's the name of the device, so it's quite easy to find. And yeah, once you're ready to use your hotspot, you just need to tap on it from here. So like so, it turns it on, and you can now connect to it. Now with the toggle enabled, phone, like I said, will turn off hotspot automatically when it detects that it's not being used. So you don't really need to remember it, but if you do want to disable it yourself manually, you can just simply tap on it once again and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.